In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Zoom meetings on your WordPress website. We'll work inside the WordPress site editor so you can place a live Zoom meeting right on your homepage or any template you use. Start by opening the editor and loading your home template. When it appears, click in the exact spot where you want the meeting to show up. You'll see a highlighted insertion point so you know you're adding content in the right place. Next, open the block inserter and search for the Embed Block. Begin typing the word embed into the search field, then pick the general embed option from the list. This gives you a simple, flexible container that can handle a Zoom URL. Keep it there for a moment. We'll complete it shortly. Before we paste the meeting link, let's make the page easier to share. From the same inserter, choose Sharing Buttons. This adds a row of familiar social icons near your embed area. With those buttons selected, open the settings on the right, find the size control, and change it to large. Larger buttons improve visibility, tap targets on mobile, and overall click-through. If you click the highlighted outlines around the buttons, you can nudge their position so they sit neatly above or below the meeting, whichever reads best with your page layout. Now return to the embed field you added earlier. Click into it, then type or paste your Zoom meeting URL. In many cases, WordPress will recognize the link and display a preview. If it doesn't render a live preview, that's okay. The link will still display as an embedded frame or a clickable card depending on your theme and permissions. Quick tip: confirm your Zoom settings so your audience can actually access the meeting, especially if you use a waiting room or passcode. The goal is to keep security intact while minimizing friction for attendees. With the sharing buttons still selected, toggle on Native Share. This enables the built-in share sheet on supported devices, making it effortless for visitors to send your meeting link through their favorite apps. Consider adding a short heading or caption near the embed that states the meeting title and start time. Clear labeling helps visitors act fast. When everything looks good, click Save to store your template changes. Finally, click Launch to view the live page and confirm that the Zoom meeting displays properly and the share options work end-to-end.